Beraten hushar, belekhan rozan. Kaitana bakar, I switch the zan. Benachakan, benarukan. Yetna wepan, yimbaskara. Kat, benavachan. Bat, yena asan. Sak, benatalan. Ak.
You write, you
Yeah,
sing, you have your videos out there. So you just put yourself out there on stage. अब इसके
yeah,
बाद
yeah.
जो होगा वो देखा जाएगा, kind of a feeling
वो
I
तो
get, right? So
yeah,
there are
that's there.
threats, there are fears, there are
Yeah.
challenges. 10 चीजें हैं यार, but I feel time आ गया है कि कहीं ना
Yeah,
कहीं से किसी को start करना चाहिए. So what is your
exactly.
take and शुरुआत and advice to all the upcoming artists from the valley?
I mean, I will tell you whenever I feel whenever I'm low and I just feel कि it won't work. कभी you get those thoughts कि what more can you do and where are you going to like reach? I just switch off everything. I just stay away from everything, and I think about how much I've worked for this. And when you do it full time, there are a lot of musicians yahan se from Kashmir who are doing it full time. This is their only option left. They don't have a plan B. Like me, I don't have a plan B. I have done my graduation and everything, but at the same time I never wanted to do anything else. I just wanted to do this, and that made me go to Delhi and push myself and get exposed to things that I wasn't exposed to and I had no clue about. I failed, I learned, I moved forward. ऐसी चीजें हुई जिंदगी में. तो I just think about मैंने इसके लिए कितनी sacrifices किए हैं, and is it worth कि I listen to these people and they're going to preach and they're going to tell me what's right for me and what's not now at this point when I'm not literally, I can't stay away from this music and I can't do anything else. I can't think about anything else. I just know how to write and I know how to make music. That's all I know. So is it worthy कि मैं इन लोगों का सुनूं और फिर इनकी ये जो बोले वही करूं? कि मेरे को अपने आप पे इतना I should trust myself this much कि whatever time I've given this art form, it hasn't gone to waste. I have escalated and I have pushed myself and I have moved forward. No matter how many obstacles came, I just didn't stop. I made a lot of sacrifices, बहुत सारी चीजें. So I feel like this is the feeling that should be there in everyone, every musician from this valley. At the same time, the whole the situation over here, a lot of things that happen, you never know when the internet is going to be working or not. मतलब तुम गाने चढ़ा पाओगे कल, whether you're going to upload your songs, you're going to be able to or not. ऐसी चीज है. I'm really you told me about the band. I was right now there are a few musicians that I'm really happy to see. There is this singer, her name is Nargis Khatun. She puts up like covers almost every day, and she's gotten a lot of support from say Ali Sethi. There are a lot of other Indian actors and everyone who have like reposted her work. It's really because that band wala thing is stuck in my mind, and when I see such things happening right now, that musicians are, despite everything, they are just going for it and they are just doing it, it really makes me happy. And this is what people need. I feel like they have also apne end se they know ki this is what we have to do and this is our only option, and we just have to we can't think about people and we can't think about what they are going to say. At the same time, for us to escape from all this mess that we were born into, and we are here still, we just have to do something about it, and that is like musically. I mean, who is going to care when they are going to like get inspired by Haba Khatun, or they just have to look at these Lala Ded. They just have to look at these people for inspiration instead of listening to these people who are going to do the exact same thing they preach others not to do. And I mean, these are the things that I can tell every musician who's budding or who's from here, is that your dreams are bigger than anything in this world, and you have to believe in yourself. If you cannot believe in yourself, that then you can't go through these hurdles and be able to successfully reach your destination. And I mean, that is what the people over here need. They need positivity,
Right.
and they need they have to be like, despite all the hopelessness, they still have to find hope, which is the most difficult task they have. That is why in every album that I have put out till date, I mean, despite everything that's been going on, all the conflict, all the issues that I see around me, I do talk about them in my songs. But there is always going to be that one track which is going to be super hopeful, and which is going to be like talking about something good, something not conflict related, or ऐसी चीजें. And it's really important because a lot of people want to find that one song there. And I've been getting recently I've been getting messages again about there is this title track from the debut album of mine that is called LKBD. उसमें मैंने outro में I've kept this kosher, it's a kosher spoken word, and I'm basically talking about talking to all the people of my age and who are younger than me, and I'm just telling them ki you're not small, your dreams are not small, you're big, and you're going to go for it, and you're going to just achieve it. Just believe in yourself. And I feel like that's also what people over here need, despite all the mess that's
Right.
there. I mean, we have to be hopeful for them.
Absolutely. No, I think that's
Yeah.
brilliant thought, and as you said, that
Yeah.
comes out of all your songs as well. That reality is one thing, but the dreams are something that you have to follow and pursue too.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
you'll always be stuck, and you
Yeah,
yourself have to pull yourself out, right? And you are
Yeah.
one of the examples for them.
Mhm.
What I feel is it's not just about writing and not just about singing. You are doing too many things. You are doing rap also. Kashmiri में rap,
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know कितने लोग कर पाते हैं. Okay, हमारी generation वाले कश्मीरी बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं. You are rapping in
हाँ.
Kashmiri, okay?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
I
yeah,
feel it's and it's for any regional language. I'm saying, anybody who
Hmm,
does a regional rapping, I feel
yeah,
people should see that there is an upliftment and there is a respect that you have for your own culture also. That is why you're
yeah,
doing it, right?
yeah,
Which
yeah.
वही again people don't see because बहुत लोगों को समझ नहीं आता वो art form. So
Yeah,
anyways,
yeah.
I mean, we're not even talking about that, but what I
Mhm.
feel is that you're inspiring a lot of people out there, Emmer, with your stories,
Yes.
with your songs, and thank you so much for doing that, because
Um,
you are giving them some hopes. You are giving them some direction that this is something you also tried. Probably they will have the courage to do so, because एक
Yeah.
को देखकर
I
दूसरा
mean,
कर पाता है.
yeah, and such conversations like we are having a conversation. I mean, tomorrow someone is going to check this out, and they're going to watch it, and this is also going to give them hope. This is going to give them
I
the
hope
hope.
so.
Yeah, because they want such things. They just want someone to talk about how they feel, and they want someone to relate to them,
Right.
some way. And when we are like talking about such critical issues like mental health, जो हमने आज discuss किया, or musicians and
Right.
how difficult it is for other musicians like girls to
Girls
like
come out.
put
Yeah.
out music and such things are really important for us to discuss, and I'm really glad that you did this.
Thank you.
And
We
yeah.
had to. I think that's the idea that anybody
Yeah.
who gets some positivity and some hope out of
Yeah.
this is what we try to do. I mean, nothing else. We
Yeah.
nobody to preach. I think बहुत लोग हैं preach
Yeah,
करने के लिए हमारे
same here.
पास.
No one-
So
no
we're
one
not
to- no one
preaching
to-
anybody.
Yeah.
Only motive is
Yeah.
to show them that there are people struggling like
Yeah.
all of us. There are people going through the same situation they are, so they are not alone.
Yeah.
And secondly,
yeah.
there's still hope, with people like
Hmm.
you out there. We all have hope in every place, be it a place
Yeah.
which is the most unrested for so long, still has some people
Yeah.
like you. So we
that
really have
that ray of light is going to like be everywhere.
Yes.
No matter how dark it is, it's always going to have that.
it's there.
Yeah.
We have
it's going to
Emmer,
have-
one of the torch bearers. So we're so happy for you doing that over there. Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so
Emmer.
much.
Thank you for
Welcome.
connecting today, and we'll stay in touch and take
Yeah.
care over there. Yeah. All right, Emmer.
Cheers.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.
हाथों था मैं 13 साल का, जिंदगी का माल ना मैं जख्मी इंसान सा, झूठ का शिकार देता कोई ना जवाब था, तो लिखता कलाम में तो स्कूल से ही शान था, क्लास में ना खास मोटा लड़का उदासा, रहता परेशान पिट पिट के गिरा, पर ना मानी कभी हार, छोटा होके भी बिड़ा, झुका ना जैसे मीनार, हिप हॉप से बना मैं, हिप हॉप मेरी जान, वेलकम बकशीर, आजाद में सोच हाल में उन गमगीन, तो पद पे खौफ, अज़ाब बचों ज़बान ये तोफ, सज़ाई मौत भला ये सोच, रातों की मेहनत ने बनाया मुझे, वो बोले तू ना कर सकेगा, करके दिखाया उन्हें, मैं लिखता हूँ मेरे जैसे दीवानों के लिए, ये गाने हैं शिक्षा इन बेगानों के लिए, छोटा लड़का बड़े सपने